Howdy friends, it's probably the 3rd of August 2021 and it's been a long 3 months of getting hardly any work done. But I do have some progress to share and so this is it. You can see behind me lots of tomahawks on the wall. I wanted to show you we are to actually getting some things done. So right here you're looking at sheath parts for lots of tomahawk sheaths. I got 40 or so of the lock bars and the MOLLE adapter plates and the spacer sets and washers. And you saw a little Instagram feed of making these lock bar pieces. What this is nickel silver rod, which has been cut to length and then drilled with the two holes and chamfered and then sandblasted and then blackened with brass black. So that's a 8-step process just to make those little rods. Not to mention I made the jig in order to make them in the first place. And then here we have the tomahawk sheath halves, as well as one hatchet half. So this is a lot of different steps to make this as well. Cutting the piece out roughly to fit the mold, pressing it on, or heating it up, pressing it onto the mold, then trimming it out with a bandsaw, then putting it on a vacuum fixture on the CNC mill so that all the holes in the slot and the perimeter can be trimmed out, and then going back into the grinding room and knocking off the edge and then hitting it with a Scotch-Brite wheel on the buffer to make the nice edges all smooth and rounded. And then after that, and at this point, then we got to assemble everything. So that's a lot of screwing things together with Chicago screws, which I will likely run out of pretty quickly. I've got these small ones which hold the MOLLE panel to the side of the sheath and then also hold the malice clips to the MOLLE panel. And then of course I use these longer ones to hold the sheath together and run right through all the spacers. So then you end up with a finished sheath that looks like this. So it's got 3 rivets at the top, which are sandwiched all the way together. There's no space up there because I've got contact with, well, I've got the cutting edge can touch off of this spacer up front, so that blocks it from going upward. That's a stainless steel piece with rubber fuel hose on it. And then back here we've got the ABS 3D printed spacer that's blocking the upward travel of the Mohawk edge. So that's what it looks like. And then this round array of holes is just something I added to this panel to make it potentially mountable to other things like in the future. So if you wanted to put it on something other than a MOLLE vest, then you'd have an option to do that pretty easily. So there's a finished tomahawk. It might have to be sharpened, but basically we're at that point where I've got all the tomahawks, about 40 of them, and I need to start calling people and asking for money so that I can finalize, assembly, sheath assembly, sharpening, and shipping. And that's that. Also, one of my chef's knives came back to me. A friend had it, and it didn't fit him because he's a little guy. And so this is available. I think I was asking $4.50 for those. What else? That's about it. So anyway, that's the update. I'm going to be working in the shop hopefully this weekend and get some of these tomahawks sharpened and put in boxes, and then do a bunch of desk office work and write emails to people that are early on the list. The idea is, because I have so many back orders, verbal back orders, that we'll be running out of tomahawks this whole batch in short order, and then I've got to move on to the next batch, which will also be the same thing basically as you see, with a few hidden tang variants, all in 1095. And then once those are all done, I might be redesigning the tomahawk a little bit and making some of them out of 3V. So the head will be the same, but I'm going to try to move towards a hidden tang construction or even a partial tang construction, so that we can save some of that precious 3V material, get more tomahawks out of the sheath, make the whole system lighter, and probably perform better with less shock into your hand if you hit something hard. So we'll see how that goes. It may be that this pattern stays the same and we just almost start from scratch with a new tomahawk that's just lighter, faster, better in every way. But we'll see how that goes. For now, the Anubis as it is pretty daggum awesome, and I like it. It's a pain in the ass to make. All right, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.